Brian and Ethan series.
If you like my kids channel, please subscribe, press the bell button, click all for getting all notifications from my channel. Then give me likes and share with your friends.
Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make cement rods from old cloth. We use 3 cups of cement, 1 cup of water, 1 old cloth and 1 plastic bottle. Add cement with water and mix it well. Take old cloth, dip it in cement. Take 1 plastic bottle and cut like this. Spread the cloth like this. Let it dry for 24 hours. Next day we got the cement pot. Take out the bottle carefully. If you want to paint, you can. I didn't paint this pot. Now our cement pot is ready. Okay, let's plant. I kept the cement pot in our garden. Don't waste your old clothes. Make a cement pot like this. I hope you like this video so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.